Hey everybody, James from All Hail Internal Combustion. I got my 880 block cleaned up and I started going through the process of deburring the block and cleaning everything up, and I'm having a bit of a problem with the new die grinder that I bought. This thing puts out a rated 23 to 25,000 RPM. You get yourself in a tight spot with this thing, it gets real scary real quick. And I've also got my old antique Craftsman drill here. It's an industrial, so it's probably never going to die. But these are both brushed, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make a variable speed controller for them out of a simple dimmer switch and some parts. So let me gather all my wire and wiring crap all together, and I'll show you how I do this. And this only works on brushed AC motors. Brushless, it'll just shut it completely off and you'll have no control over your speed. Now, I'm not saying that this will give you like indefinite speed control, but it definitely allows you to take the top off of it so you're not going so crazy and worried about losing your life when something comes off. Now, keep in mind here, I'm not an electrician. I don't pretend to be an electrician. I've done electrical work all my life. I can do it up to code, blah, blah, blah. But this is around the garage. So we save old pieces of extension cord because you never know when it's going to come in handy. So what I got is I got an end here with a female. I got a male that I picked up at the store and another piece of wire. What I'm going to do is I'm going to knock the top and the bottom plugs out on this. And I've got some strain reliefs to put the wire through, then tighten it down so when you yank on it, the wire don't come out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and strip my wires back and get these knockouts knocked out. Alright, so I got my dimmer switch box all put together. Follow the instructions on your dimmer switch. This one's for a 3-way, so it had an extra wire in there that I didn't use, so I just made sure that wasn't going to contact anything. Put it in the box, tighten my strain reliefs up, got my male and female ends on it, and this is my die grinder from Harbor Freight. So what you can do is push on for power. And this is how fast it ran normally when you turned it on. But now I've got some adjustability. If I need to get into tighter spots and I don't want it jumping all over, I can control it and shut it off. And I also got my old Craftsman drill here that is a non-variable speed. And sometimes when you're doing stuff like I use this for wire brushing because it's pretty much like a trash drill. But do the same thing with this. And turn it off. So yeah, that's my short-term solution to a problem I was having, because I want to get that block done, but I can't do it with that RPM. It's not like when you're using an air die grinder and you've got some control by feathering the throttle on it. These didn't have that, and I kind of need that. So altogether, the dimmer switch, the box, the strain reliefs, I had the wire and the 2 ends. I think it set me back like 28 bucks for everything. But that's a lot cheaper than going out and buying another die grinder and another drill, even though I have more drills. But it saves me from going out and buying tools, and if I can come up with any other old tools, I can control their speed as well. So I'm going to get back to work on this engine and cleaning it up, and I got some work to do on the old S10. But that's all coming up. So that'll be it for this one. Like, share, subscribe, all that happy noise. Take it easy. Hope y'all have a good day.